Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play non-Steam games on Steam Link. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu labeled Games. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Add a non-Steam game to my library. This is the feature that allows you to integrate games from other platforms or standalone games directly into your Steam library, which means you'll be able to launch them through Steam Link. After clicking that option, a new window will pop up showing you a list of programs and games that Steam has automatically detected on your computer. This list typically includes various applications and games installed outside of Steam. Browse through this list carefully and look for the non-Steam game you want to add. Once you spot it, simply check the box beside the game's name. This tells Steam that you want to include this particular game in your library. Now, if you can't find your game in the list that Steam automatically generated, don't worry, there's an easy solution for that. Look at the bottom left panel of the window and you'll see a button labeled Browse. Click on it to manually navigate through your computer's folders. This opens up a file explorer where you can locate the executable file for your non-Steam game. Navigate to the folder where your game is installed and select the game's executable file. This gives you full control over which games get added, even if Steam didn't detect them automatically. Once you've either checked the boxes for the games from the list or selected your game through the Browse function, click Add Selected Programs. This action will add all your chosen non-Steam games directly into your Steam library, making them accessible just like any other Steam game. The beauty of this is that once these games are in your library, you can launch them through Steam Link on other devices. Now that your game has been added, navigate to the upper left corner again and click on Library. This takes you to your main game collection where all your Steam and non-Steam games are organized. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Scroll through and locate the non-Steam game you just added earlier. Click on it to select it, and then simply click Play. The game will launch through Steam, which means it's now fully integrated and ready to be played through Steam Link on your TV, tablet, or any other compatible device. And there you have it. You've successfully added and launched a non-Steam game through Steam, making it accessible on Steam Link. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.